Hi, let's start. Hey, just give me a minute. I'm just waiting for it to start. Hello. Hi, let's start. Hey. Hi, okay. So let's begin. So hey guys, welcome to the channel. And it's high entropy. And we are very energetic person. I'm very energetic person. That's why it's 10:20 p.m. and I just started streaming. So sometimes I start like, and nowadays I'm too much focused on the streaming and all, and because of that I'm able to perform better. Like I'm seeing little bit pressure, so I have to finish the things on the time. So there are so many good things happening with this streaming and all. And first thing is I'm pretty consistent every day. At least I'm solving one problem, and without it it's not possible. Because sometimes when you are I read the book Atomic Habits, and because of that I'm able to say, if you are hearing noise, maybe because of my neighbor is talking. So our rooms are like just a little bit away, or maybe you can sit far next to each other, and there is a window, and because of that you might hear some noise. No problem. So yesterday I was trying to, I think yesterday I solved one problem, and today we need to solve another problem. Oh, I think, yeah, yesterday I was trying to solve a problem, but problem was not a problem. I think I just said, okay, I'll solve it later. Maybe, I don't know, man. Where is the ID that I want to use? Okay, so first thing, yeah. So there was scenario like it's very circular. So I just tried the best, not best approach. I have to finish it. So dynamic program is still I'm just solving basic with the basic approach where dynamic programming works. So there I created two dynamic memories. First one for the first case where we are considering the first element, and another one for other elements. So that's why like it's not good approach. We need to come up with another approach. So we'll figure it out. I mean, I have to revise them, and so I'll do it. For the time being, what will we need to? Oh, 2D and 3D dynamic programming on grids. Now I think it's very bad if I'll use the same technique here as well. Let's see. So in Ninja, okay, I first thing I learned, be focused when you are listening and focus on one thing at a time. Why my hairs are very, first of all my, if you notice, there is so much gap in the hairs. I don't know why I'm telling you. A ninja has planned a end day training schedule. Okay. Coding ninja. Each day he has to perform one of three activities: running, stealth training, or fighting practice. Okay. Running, stealth training, or fighting practice. The same activity cannot be done on two consecutive days, and the ninja earns a specific number of merit points based on the activity and the given day. 1 minute. A ninja has planned a ended training schedule. A ninja has planned a end-day training schedule. Okay. Each day he has to perform one of the three activities: running, stealth training, or fighting practice. The same activity cannot be done on two consecutive days. Same activity. Okay, so if he's doing this one he cannot. Okay, and then add the ninja earns a specific number of merit points based on the activity and the given day. Given an enclosed three-sized matrix where matrix I0 and matrix I1 and matrix I2, okay, represents the merit points associated with the running, stealth, and fighting practice. Running, stealth, and fighting practice on the I plus 1th day. Okay, so they are like I plus 1th day because 0 will represent first day, respectively. Return the maximum possible merit points that the ninja can earn. Okay, got it. So every day you have three options. Out of three, one won't work. For example, if you're selecting three, I mean, if you selected like let's say A, B, C are the three activities. If you selected A, you have B and C option. If you selected B, next day you selected okay, next day you have B and C options, right? Then only you will get points. Otherwise, you can't get, you won't be able to get more points. You know, when I was watching Aditya Verma's video, even still I'm watching. So he mentioned first thing like DP is the DP's parent problem is recursion. So we have to think about the recursion only. First, how we are going to convert it into recursion, and maybe then we'll try to. Still, I'm not planning to do with the tabular method. First, I want to figure it out. I mean, with the recursion only. So let me note down the example first. 10, 40, 70, 20, 50, 80, 30, 60, 90. And second example is nothing but 70, 40, 10, 10, 180, 25. And third one is 260, 30. Let's jump into the. Okay, now we have these three. So first day you will come and you'll say, okay, what is the best option that I can choose out of this? So it's like every day, you can say, suppose it's day. Every day you have three options. Three options every day. Okay. And you can choose three. The next day, okay, so what I'm thinking, you are on ith day, right? And choice of ith day depends on what you choose on I minus 1th day, right? If you choose something that you cannot choose in the next day, for sure, and you have to pass it. Like if you're so every day, what I'm thinking, we need to pass another value and day and the value that we choose in the past one. So first day, what are the options? Let's say first day you have you I mean first day you have all three options. So what you will do, you will choose 10. Let me choose 10. Let me choose 40. Let me choose 70. Okay, let's see first day. So we'll say, you can say I equals to what do you choose? 0, minus 1. Minus 1 means you don't have to choose anything. Okay, then what you will do, you choose 10. So now if you'll choose 10, then what are the options you have right now? You can say, okay, now if I choose 10, I have options like what? If you choose 10, then you have 50 and 80. And if you choose 40, then you have option 10 and 70. And you will choose you 70, you choose 70, right? So you have option 10 and 40. Now again you will go to this and you will ask, now I'm at this location. You will say, okay, so what you choose? 10, right? In the previous, so you cannot choose that one. Now you choose 50, so you cannot choose 50. Now what are the options you have? So this is 0, this is first day, and this is second day. Okay, now I did some mistake. I mean, here it will be 2080, and here it will be we choose 70. That means we cannot choose 80. So we have 20 and we have 50. Now in the third step, you will say, okay, I choose 50 in the past one, so I cannot choose 50. So what you can choose? I mean, you cannot choose this one 60 in the next step, so you can choose 30 and 90. From this one you can choose 80, you choose in the last one 30 and 60. From this one, I mean, it's a big tree, it's going to convert 20. If you choose 20, then you can choose 60 and 90. From 80 you can say 80, 30, 60. Yes, man, it's the tree is getting skewed. I don't know why. I don't know. I mean, it's a. I haven't chose the I haven't given them the proper width. That's why. So I'm just trying to figure it out. So now, if you are at 20, so what are the options? I mean, if you are at 20, you choose 20, then that means you can choose 60, 90. And if you are 50, then you can choose 30, 90. And see which branch has the highest value. 10, 50, 30. So I can see this one is bigger than this. So you can say, okay, let me count. 50, 60, 60, 30, 90. What is this? 150. Oh man, he started calling in the time. I'll be back, man. Just give me a minute. हेलो. हाँ भैया. कहाँ हो आप? गेट के पास होटल होता है 320. 320 है. आ रहा हूँ 1 मिनट रुको भाई. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. At the time I haven't kept it on mute. Well, I might, man, I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so I think now it's perfect. I don't know which one is working. Okay, great. Let me just open camera. Sorry, so sorry for it. God, now I'm breathing a little faster because I just came from 2 floors back quickly. Okay, so we were, and I was come in complete focus, like I was focusing on the building it, and in between he called. So no problem. We are on the track. I just need to figure out. I know I'm gonna use the noob approach only to store memorization because first I'm trying to start with the basics because dynamic programming is something that you know what 80 10 and 30. So first we'll solve it and then I'll try to reduce it into a problem or into a solution because once you get it it's not a big deal. So 10 80 30. What is the sum? 30 and 10 40, 40 and 80 120 and 80 10 1996 150. Okay, 60 20 80 80 and 40 120 and okay 90 20 110 110 150 and 30 80 40. So 120 120 30 150 and 60 80 40 180. Great. 60 20 70 60 20 70, I mean 60 80 80 150 90 20 70 160 and 180. Great. So far 180 we get 150 30 80 150 and 50 70 120 210. I think the answer will be 210, right? Ah, great. And now we need to think about the solution. So if you notice, okay, let's say it from here. So at starting, what you did, you have all three options, right? And then what you did. So this is the starting approach. Start what you are passing in the back. Then it is deciding. So you said I took 0. So you will say okay, I took 0. So can I say like you are passing here 0 and you are ask for this function, you just passed 0 comma, you passed 1, you passed 2. Okay, no, not like this. So first you are at this location. So can I say at starting you passed something like, okay, we don't have anything so far, we haven't picked anything, and now you are at 0. You have to start with 0. So I mean the first element, or you can say day, first day. So you can start it with this. Okay, you don't have any, so it will be day 0, that means 1 only, and this will be nothing but day will be, you can say this is nothing but past day, what you pick. Okay, and not past day, past activity, you can say. Yeah, so what you pick. So at starting you don't have any activity. Now you will say okay, I don't have then any activity so far, so it's starting off the pick. Then I'll start with all three options. Okay, now what you will cascade to it. Okay, so you will say okay, you have to go to day 2 and it will say okay, I mean it will pass it like this. So it will call with this value. It will say okay, I am choosing 0 and now I need to for 1. It will say okay, I am choosing 1 and now I need for day 2. It will say okay, I am choosing 2 and activity number 2 and I need for day 2. So here you will say okay, now it will say what, it will say I'm choosing 1. Right? I mean, yeah, what you are choosing. So it say, okay, let me choose. So it will say I'm choosing 1, 2, and now I did for 3. It will say, okay, I'm choosing. Okay, here you need for this. So it will say, okay, I'm choosing 80, means 3. So I pick 2, I mean 1, yeah. So here you will see, okay, for example, here 1, 80. 80 means this is nothing but 3, 2, and yeah, 2, and what unit for 3? 3 or 2, you will say 2. You are looking for 2, right? So if you see this one and these are common, right? With this call this one, and you will see this one, both are the same at the same level. Similarly here and here you will see same, right? Same for this one, for this one. So what you can do, you can optimize it. Like once you called here this one, then you can utilize and you can use it. So what we need, so when we are creating memoization, definitely we need two things. Okay, first thing, we need days. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the days which day you are applying. And here you will see, okay, these are the activity which one you are selecting. So far it could be 0, 1, 2. Alright. And you will say, okay, if you have an answer for it, then store it. Otherwise, you will say, okay, no, it's not available. So I won't say. Okay, I think I have. So what I'll do, okay, let me note down the solution for it. I think I'm not able to articulate properly or what still. So we'll take an array. So here will be like, okay, so it's variable, right? Activity can be any number of time or what? Okay, so there are 3 only activities, number of columns in matrix. So 0, 1, 2, you will say. And here will be n. So 0 up to n minus 1, right? And what you will say, you will create a function or you will create a mem. And everything will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and this. And mem, you will create mem. And now you will say fun. And first thing, the activity at a starting it will be 0. Okay, we haven't talked about base condition. Sorry, my bad. Let's talk about base condition, man. What is the base condition when you will say, okay, now it's done? If you will say, okay, I equals to n minus 1. Right. Okay, well, let's forget about I equals to n minus 1. If I is increasing that, let me say now you pick this and you are calling to another number stays. So what you are expecting, return 0. So you will just sum up, return 0 directly. If I greater than equals to n minus 1, return 0. And for other, you will use the same condition at each level. So you will say, okay, fun, I'll gonna create, here I'll pass uh, PA, past activity, and CD, current date. Okay, let's say I and Z, it's better. I will be for the representing the row and J will be representing the column. And here we'll say, what memory, and other thing what is, we have an array, right, matrix. So you will say if I mean, yeah, I is greater than n, greater than 0. I'm just writing pseudocode. So greater than 0, else what you will do, return memory of I and C. If it is already stored in the memory, then simply we don't need to compute. Else, okay, now you know one more case we need to take. If j equals to -1, then simply we need to do 3 steps. You can say, I mean, I'm not good at result 1. Let's say you pick result 0. It's nothing but the first one you pick, and it will be like what is the 1, and you will say okay, I picked I plus 1. Man, what are you doing? So you will say matrix, you picked the first one, first element, okay, so I and 0, and you will say matrix of plus 1 of, and now you are already picked this one, so you will say I plus 1 and 0, and mem matrix, okay. You know what will be the problem here? How you are going to store it? If I'll use store like mem of I and z, the problem will be here only. This step -1 won't be there, or -1 you will get, but it will override some way. So I do not want that kind of mess. So better approach will be something like, okay, why don't we tackle it outside of the array, and we'll get it from there, and let's do one thing. So simply here we'll do one thing. Let's start with j equals to 0, right? You pick the 0 element, or you pick the first element, or you pick the second element. So you will do it outside call, and here I will be 0. So not 0 but 1. It will be like something 1 0, or we can standardize. God, my pronunciation is crazy. But forget about the pronunciation. What about your logical thinking? That is also crazy. Oh, 1050, man. I'm so sorry. God, when I started, it was 9 or what? Can't we see it here? This will be some sort of, okay, 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes only. Okay. I mean, yeah, I made good progress in 30 minutes. Next. So we'll do, let's see. It's better like we'll start from here only. So simply, if let's do one thing. For z, let's say k in range 0 to 3, 4, 3 will be 0, 1, 2. Okay. Why do we need even this? Now I'm again confused. I'll take max result. I mean, yeah. And now what I'll do, result will be if simply k not equals to the j that you picked, you are getting from there. I'm so okay. So the basically the element that you picked, not element, but the activity that you picked in the past one, in the previous level or previous day, you can't pick. So I'm just iterating through all the elements or all the activities, and I'm just discarding that. Then simply what you will do, you will say result. Result is nothing but you can say max of result and result, and you will say okay, function you will call again, and it will be I plus 1 there, and you will say okay, k that you are the activity that you picked, and now you will say okay, what else unit, mem and matrix. So this is the thing, and finally what you will do, return result. So that's what. Okay, let's do it. What will time complex? So first thing is we have to create memory, and memory will be something like mem will be, for each time we need some sort of like -1, -1 and -1. So for I in range, what I'll do, simply matrix of len of matrix. Okay, why do we need len of matrix, and you will say n. Okay, so it's this. And now what you'll do, you will take you will handle the first case, corner case that you will say. So okay, let's say okay, I will use result float of -inf. So I'm just taking the minimum value. And what else, for I, no, not I, j in range, you can say 3, so 0 to 3, and okay, now we will call result equals to max of result, and what you will do, you will call solve self dot solve. Basically you are I'm gonna call create this function, and here you are providing I is nothing but 0. First day you are solving, so you already covered, so you are looking for second day, and I mean your first index means second day, and then you are providing other information j, like the activity that you selected at this step, at this day. So jth activity, or maybe 0 first or second activity, and 0 is for running, and 1 is for stealthing, and third one is for what? Man, I forgot it. Fighting practice. Okay, so yeah, and other than that you are providing memory. I mean, yeah, I wanted to provide n because I don't want to calculate it again and again. And here you will provide memory, matrix. These are the things that you are providing, and you have to include the energy of this. So matrix of, you can say, 0 and j, definitely plus. So finally return result, and now you are going to create default self, not self, solve, and not default, define, I mean self, and here we are going to get IJ and n m memory matrix. Right, now if I is increasing than n minus 1, return 0. If mem of I and j, and yeah, is greater than equals to 0, I think I'm not making any mess. Return mem of I and j, else you need to calculate it. So what I'll do, I'll say k in range 3, and here I'm just gonna say if j, that activity, is not equals to k, that means you can call it. So again I'm calculating the result again. So result is nothing but float. I just wanted to make it as a habit, like we need to use minus I enough. And here you will say result equals to, now you are at this level. Okay, so you are calling to another level. So if j is not this one, that means the past one picked jth activity, right? So you have other options, j other than j. So here you can say j is nothing but you are represent. Okay, k, you have from 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2, you are discarding the j. It could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2. Okay, now we have, I mean, yeah, this is the value. No, it's not that. Oh god. Self dot solve, and you will say okay, now I'm gonna choose this activity I plus 1. Okay, and what unit is, I'm choosing k, n, mem, matrix. These are the values that I'm, but what is the value? Equals to max of result, and you will say okay, matrix of I, the index that you are looking for, the day, number, and what you choose, the activity that you chose, k you are choosing, plus this one. And yeah, it might be you are feeling a little different. I think I kept everything in the sync. Only a problem is if I'm not misusing the memory, then everything is good. Oh man, I know, I didn't even TLEL kit. Really, I'm so sorry. Result, I know. What is the mistake I made? I never update. I'm not updating memory. Okay, so we are looking for I and J. What is the result for I and J? It will be something. I think now it's good, but let's see. I think I made some mistake. Oh, wow, it's working perfect. So working, but it's still, I wanted to start with a tabular approach. That is better when you don't need to, because here we are utilizing recursion, and because of that you are using extra memory. But it says even there you can see memoization. Stop it, man. Memoization, tabulation, sorry, and space of optimization. There are 3 ways to solve. and I'm at this one only, recursion, memoization. So we'll build solid soon. I mean, yeah, maybe from this weekend I'm planning to. I have to brush up more about the tabular method because I'm not that confident in the table method. Still, I'm going through the videos, but still I need little time, so I'm just working on it. I'm working on it. I'm not saying I'm trying it. I'm just, I think this is the thing that I wanted to say to you. Stop saying like I'm trying. Instead of that, you say I'm working on it, and there is a meaning behind it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. It's 11 o'clock, man. Bye bye. Goodbye. Yeah, let me stop.